Hello, my name is Amber Hudson. I'm the Education Director at First Makerspace, and this month's project is the Monster Racer. In this STEM takeout kit, you will find the directions, a Lectrify Shake-It board, a package of glue dots, a set of 3D printed feet, and 4 googly eyes. You'll want to begin by exploring your Lectrify Shake-It board. You'll notice an on-off switch, a cell battery, and an eccentric rotating mass motor. Begin by turning it on to see how the board reacts to the movement of the motor. This kit comes with a set of varied 3D printed feet and 3D printed connectors. You'll want to connect each foot to its connector, and I will warn you, this is not easy to do, especially if you're working with younger students. You would want to do this ahead of time and have them ready to go. You can pick and choose which connector you want to go with which feet. Once you have your feet connected to the connectors, you'll want to connect the connectors to the Lectrify Shake-It board. This is also not an easy step to do. You'll see that the holes are pre-prepared for where the connectors will connect. Once you have your feet connected, turn the on switch on and watch how the board reacts to the feet. Some adjustments may need to be made to make sure that the feet are level. Your next step will be to choose which monster you would like to decorate. Once you have your monster decorated, you'll use the provided glue dots to attach your monster face to the Lectrify Shake-It board. Once that's done, you can again turn on the power button to see how your monster moves. Be sure that your monster face is not covering the motor. That would cause some issues. Once your moving monster is created, you can complete some challenges. How fast can you make the monster move on a flat surface? Does the surface that it is on change how it moves? Can you make your monster move in a straight line, or does it only move in circles? And most importantly, get creative and crafty with your monster.